It is time for you to finally start your YouTube channel. No more excuses, no more I'm not techie, no more I don't know what to sell, no more I don't even know where to start. I'm answering all of those questions for you in a couple of ways. First, we're going to start with my YouTube virtual workshop called YouTube SideHustle. And this is for anyone who's ever considered YouTube and someone who really wants to jump in and make money with their YouTube channel. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, I don't even know how to set up a YouTube channel, or I have a YouTube channel already. I'm just not getting views. I got you covered. In our bonuses, I actually give you access to my YouTube Masterclass, which is a class that goes over everything you need to know about YouTube. So how to get started, how to set up your channel, how to do thumbnails, how to check your stats, how to do your lighting and your videos, and do you need equipment? How often do you post? I have answered all of those in my YouTube Masterclass. That is a self-paced masterclass with a workbook and exercises. But first, we're going to start with how to monetize. So join me on October 13th and 20th. And yes, it is recorded for those of you that have things to do. And you'll also be able to jump into our Facebook group and ask me questions, as well as all of our other members. I am building a YouTube side hustler movement, and I want you to be a part of it. Go ahead and check the details below. If you have any questions, you can find me on any of my social media platforms, but I'd love to have you at our virtual workshop, YouTube Side Hustle. Thank you. Talk to you soon.